This is module 3 of the chapter number 6, safety and first aid. In this interactive video we are going to discuss once again the same topic, the first aid. The first aid in case of wounds, such as first aid for minor wounds, first aid for deeper or deep wounds, and first aid for the case of animal bites. In the case of animal bites, we will be learning about two kinds of bites. Number one is dog bites and the snake bite, and the treatment or the first aid for these two kinds of bites. In our previous module 2 discussion, we had learnt regarding the definition of first aid or the meaning or the concept of first aid, and how do we treat or take a step in form of first aid in case of the burns, such as minor burns, severe burns, and the chemical burns. But today's discussions will be fully based on the first aid or the treatment in case of the wounds. Before going to discuss, we should know what is the meaning of wound. Wounds are maybe cuts or the scratches on the skin. Maybe the cuts or maybe the scratches on the skin. These are treated as wounds. And first aid or treatment, primary treatment for wounds can be taken before rushing or attending a doctor. For doing this, we should consider these following mentioned steps. Number one, first we should clean our hands with soap and water. In the second step, we must wash the wound very well with soap and water. And we can easily clean the wound with an antiseptic cream or lotion. And never forget that it is very important to remove each and every bit of dirt present in the wound, otherwise it may be responsible for getting the wound infected. In the third step, we should consider or we should worry or careful about the bleeding. We can stop the bleeding by applying the ice on the wound. In case of bleeding, by applying ice, we can stop the bleeding from the wound site. We can also apply a clean plaster or the bandage to prevent dirt from getting into the wound. And in this case, we should cover the wound with the plaster or the bandage. And the plaster and bandage not only prevent the dirt from getting into the wound, but it also helps to stop the bleeding. This is the biological term tourniquet. It is a tight bandage. Tourniquet is a tight bandage that is used for stopping the flow of blood. You may consult this picture. This is the tourniquet, a bandage that has been applied to the site of wound to stop the bleeding. Not only the plaster or bandage, but such kind of a special kind of bandage can also be applied, that is known as tourniquet, at the site of the wound. If the condition is, if the bleeding does not stop automatically, then we can apply such kind of tourniquet bandage. But condition is while the wound does not stop bleeding. In that case, we should apply such kind of tourniquet. And this kind of tight bandage will apply extra pressure at the site of the wound to stop the bleeding. Once again I repeat, the treatment or the first aid for the case of minor wound. First, we should clean our hand before applying the antiseptic or any kind of solution to disinfect the wound. This diagram shows that thereafter we can also apply the bandage or the plaster, and in severe case of bleeding we can also apply the special kind of bandage, tight bandage, that is tourniquet. These are the instructions we need to follow while we are in the situation of minor wounds. Now, this point should also be noted that while the wound is not healing automatically, then we should clean the wound day-to-day basis in order to prevent the further infection. It is very important. We should keep the wound clean while we are finding out that the site of wound is not healing itself, because it may get infected in future. In that case, we should clean the wound frequently, day-to-day basis. Because if the wound becomes an infected wound, then it may cause further infection. And the characteristic of infected wound, such as it will become reddish in color, the site will become reddish in color, and the pus will start coming out from that site of wound. These are the two important features of an infected wound: reddish color of the site of the wound, and the pus will come out from that site of the wound. And in this situation, we should remove the bandage and we should apply the clean bandage. And we should not forget that while we are going to clean the wound or the wound site, we should clean that site of wound with the warm water or the antiseptic solution we can also use. And thereafter we should leave that site of wound in open air or fresh air, but we should not let that site of wound for getting dirty again. That means we should avoid the getting of that wound site dirt once again. We can leave for a while and thereafter we should apply the bandage. But we should not wait for long hours. The main thing is here we should know that after cleaning that site of wound, we should leave it for some time in the fresh air. Thereafter, immediately we should apply another clean bandage at the site of that wound. And never forget that this site of wound must not be got dirty again. Now this is the case that if the wound does not heal itself after applying this kind of treatments of the first aid, then we should rush to doctor. And if the patient develops a fever, the condition is if the patient develops a fever and if the wound does not heal itself, then we should rush a doctor. These were the instructions given for the case of minor wounds. Now the case is deep wounds. In the case of deep wounds, the instructions we need to consider, first, number one is, if the wound is deep, then patient should be taken to a doctor after cleaning the wound with the solution, antiseptic solution, or the previously mentioned instructions in case of minor wounds. And in the second step, we may require an injection. We may require an injection of tetanus vaccine to prevent the disease tetanus. Or for the long and the deep wounds, we may also require for stitches. This is for the case of deeper and the long wounds. Stitches may be required. And don't forget that tetanus vaccine is also required to give to the patient to prevent the disease tetanus. Now, what is tetanus? Tetanus is an infectious disease caused by bacteria. And this bacteria can easily enter into the body through a puncture or the cut or the wounds. Now, what is the treatment for or aids or first aid in the case of animal bites? We are going to discuss two kinds of animal bites. Number one is dog bite, another one is the snake bite. Now, rabies is a disease and it can be caused by the bites of either dogs or monkeys or another animals. And it is a very dangerous disease. Now this kind of bites, the areas of such kind of bites should be immediately washed. Now these are the first aids. These are the first aid or first treatments we can consider. Number one, in case of animal bites, mainly the dog bites, we should first clean the bite site or bite area with soap and the antiseptic solution. This is the first step. In the second step, we should rush the doctor for better treatment, and we need a vaccine, anti-rabies vaccine. This is the anti-rabies vaccine. This is the 3 steps we should follow in the case of dog bites. Number 1, we should wash the site of bites of dog with water and the antiseptic solution. In the second step, we should rush the doctor immediately, and the doctor will give the anti-rabies vaccine. Now, in the case of a snake bite, a tight bandage known as tourniquet should be immediately applied just above, mind it, just above the wound. This is the picture of the snake bite. This is the bite of snake. We should apply the tourniquet. This is the wound. It is the above part and this is the below region. We should apply the tourniquet above the bite. Above the bite in this area. Once again I repeat, never forget that after facing such kind of case of snake bites, we should apply immediately the tourniquet or the tight bandage at the site of the above of the wound. Above of the wound. Never forget, so that we can reduce the blood flow to the wound. And this tourniquet, the applied area of the tourniquet must be between the wound and the heart. Now, what is the implementation of the tourniquet? Applying tourniquet, the main intention is to stop the or reduce the blood flow to the wound, so that we can slow down the spread of the poison to the heart or to the blood system. This is the main intention. Because the snake poison can easily travel through the blood system and may affect the heart and the nervous systems. Therefore, we should immediately rush along with the patient for better treatment to a doctor. Rabies is a contagious disease of dogs, and it is transmissible through the saliva of the infected dog to the humans. Thanks for watching.